Welcome back to my channel Smart Learning, where learning is made simple. In today's video, we are going to see one of the fast mental math trick to multiply numbers from 12 to 19 by 9 in just a second. In my previous videos, I have shared various tricks to memorize table 9 and also to multiply large numbers by 9 by using fast mental math trick. So here is another quick fast mental math trick to multiply numbers from 12 to 19 in just a second. So now let's move into the trick. To multiply numbers from 12 to 19 by 9, multiply ones digit of the number with which 9 is being multiplied by 9 and then split the tens digit of the result obtained into two parts as 1 plus the remaining number to obtain the final result. So having learnt table 9, we are now familiar with multiplying numbers from 1 to 10 by 9 using the fast mental math trick. Now let's discuss from row 11 to 20 in this video. For multiplying 11 by 9, you can either use the trick of table 11 where the number with which 11 is being multiplied has to be repeated twice to obtain the result, or you can multiply 9 by 1 and again multiply 9 by 1 to obtain 99 as the result. Now let's move to the next row where 12 needs to be multiplied by 9. So as per this rule, first you multiply 9 by 2, which is the ones digit, to obtain 18, and then you need to split this tens digit of 18 as 1 plus the remaining number to obtain the first half of the result of 12 into 9. So when you split this 1, you obtain 1 and a 0, which becomes the first half of the result, and then this ones digit has to be clubbed to this to obtain 108 as the answer. Therefore, 12 into 9 is nothing but 108. Here if you see, 13 has to be multiplied by 9. So what do? We first multiply 9 by 3, which is nothing but 27, and then you need to split the tens digit of this 27 as 1 plus the remaining number, which is 1. So this 1 and 1 becomes the first half of the result, and then you need to club this 7 to this result to obtain the final result of 13 into 9, which is nothing but 117. Now let's see the next row where 14 has to be multiplied by 9. So first you need to multiply 9 by 4, which is nothing but 36, and then you need to split this 3 as 1 and 2, which forms the first half of the result, and then you need to club this 6 to this 12 to obtain the final answer of 14 into 9, which is 126. So when you practice this, if someone asks you what is 15 into 9, you can calculate it mentally. What is 9 into 5? It is 45. So 4 should be split as 1 and 3. So 135 is going to be the answer. Similarly, you can do it with 16 into 9 as well. First you need to multiply 9 by 6 to obtain 54. And then you need to split this 5 as 1 and 4, which becomes the first half of the result, and then you need to club this 4 along with this to obtain the answer of 16 into 9, which is 144. Similarly, for obtaining 17 into 9, you need to multiply 9 by 7, which is 63, and then split this tens digit, which is 6, as 1 and 5 to obtain the first part of the final result, and then club this 3 along with this to obtain the final result of 17 into 9, which is nothing but 153. If you look at this example where 18 has to be multiplied by 9, first you need to multiply 9 by 8 to obtain 72, and then split the tens digit, which is 7, as 1 and 6 to obtain the final result of 18 into 9, which is 162, which is obtained by clubbing this 1, 6 and 2. Then finally, for the 19th row where 9 has to be multiplied by 19, first multiply 9 by 9 to get 81 and split this tens digit 8 as 1 and 7, and then club this 1, 7 and this ones digit to obtain the final result of 19 into 9, which is nothing but 171. Finally, for multiplying 9 by 20, you can first multiply 9 by 0. We know that any number multiplied by 0 will give 0 as a result, and 9 into 2 is 18. So the result of 20 into 9 is 180. So this is one of the fast mental math trick where you can calculate the result in your mind itself without the usage of paper and pen. In my previous videos, I have already introduced various mental math tricks to multiply large numbers by 9. So here I would like to introduce one more shortcut for multiplying large numbers by 9. So since multiplying numbers by 10 is very easy for the kids, you can use that shortcut to multiply large numbers by 9 as well. So now let's see how to do it. To multiply a number greater than 20 or even a very big large whole numbers by 9, first multiply the number by 10 and then subtract the original number from the result obtained to find the final result. Now for example, let's consider we need to multiply 244 by 9. So instead of going for the conventional method of multiplication, you can use the shortcut where you can first multiply 244 by 10. For multiplying any number by 10, you need to just add a 0 to the end of the number. So you add a 0 to this 244 to obtain 2440, and you need to subtract this 244 from this entire number 2440 to obtain the result 2196, which becomes the result of 244 into 9. I have already shared a detailed video of various mental math tricks to multiply large numbers by 9, for which I will provide the link below. So please check that video to have a clear understanding of multiplying large numbers by 9 in just few seconds. Now let's see the learning outcome. By the end of this video, kids should be thorough with the following tricks. To multiply numbers from 12 to 19 by 9, first multiply the ones digit of the number by 9 and then split the tens digit of the result obtained as 1 plus the remaining number and club it with ones digit of the result obtained to find the final result. For multiplying large numbers by 9, first multiply the number by 10 and subtract the number from the result obtained to find the final result. Now it's time to check if your kids are able to multiply numbers from 12 to 19 by 9 mentally in just a second. If you have found something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Learning, and also click the bell icon to get notifications about my upcoming videos.